हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटोरियल्स। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं स्टैंडर्ड 10 का ज्योग्राफिकल लेसन नंबर 2 लोकेशन एंड एक्सटेंट के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। तो जो भी हम आंसर्स देखेंगे वो शॉर्ट में रहेंगे ताकि आपको लर्निंग में भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आर द सेंटेंसेस राइट और रॉन्ग? रीराइट द रॉन्ग वंस। ए, Brazil is mainly located in the southern hemisphere. Answer is right. B, Tropic of Capricorn passes through the middle of the India. Answer wrong. Tropic of Capricorn passes through the southern part of Brazil. C, the longitudinal extent of Brazil is less than India. Answer wrong. The longitudinal extent of India is less than the Brazil. D, equator passes through the northern part of Brazil. Answer right. E, Brazil has coastline along the Pacific Ocean. Answer wrong. Brazil has the coastline along the Atlantic Ocean. F, Pakistan is a neighboring country to the southeast of India. Answer wrong. Pakistan is a neighboring country to the northwest of the India. G, the southern part of India is called peninsula. Answer right. Question number 2, answer in brief. A, what problems did Brazil and India face after the independence? Answer, India and Brazil faced the following problems after the independence. First, after independence, Brazil faced many financial crises. Second, within 20 years of independence, India has fought 3 wars. Third, after independence, people in India coped with famine situation. 4, after independence, India faced many financial difficulties of slow rate of economical growth. B, how are Brazil and India different from each other in terms of location? Answer, first, India is located in the northern hemisphere of the earth, whereas some part of Brazil lies in the northern hemisphere. Second, India entirely lies in the eastern hemisphere, whereas Brazil lies in the western hemisphere. C, describe the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India and Brazil. Answer, so let's see India's first. Latitudinal extent. The latitudinal extent of the mainland of India is from 8 degree 4 minute N latitude to 37 degree 6 minute N latitude. Longitudinal extent. The longitudinal extent of India is from 68 degree 7 minute E to 97 degree 25 minute E. Brazil. Latitudinal extent. The latitudinal extent of Brazil is from 5 degree 15 minute N to 33 degree 45 minute S. Longitudinal extent. The longitudinal extent of Brazil is from 34 degree 45 minute W to 73 degree 48 minute W. Question number 3. Select the correct option. A, India's southernmost point is known as Indira Point. B, these two countries in South America do not share their border with Brazil. Answer, Chile, Ecuador do not share their border with Brazil. C, both the countries have republic type of government. D, which of the following shapes show the coastal part of Brazil correctly? Answer, first number image show the coastal part of Brazil correctly. E, which of the following shapes show the coastal part of India correctly? Answer, third number of image shape shows the coastal part of India correctly. F, considering hemisphere, which shape correctly represent the hemisphere in which India lies? Answer, third number of image shape correctly represent the hemisphere in which India lies. G, considering the hemisphere, which correctly represent the hemisphere in which Brazil mainly lies. So answer is second number of image correctly represent the hemisphere in which Brazil mainly lies. Okay student, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. Then do like, comment and share. And for more such videos, subscribe to Study Spark Tutorials. We will meet in next video. Till that, keep learning.